Okay, so this is the sunflower head. And I had to throw it down into a bucket to get it away from my chickens. And then I forgot about it. And so I just now stumbled across it. And as you can see, it's really not that great. Like this half, okay. This half that was down into the small bucket here, not good. These are no good. These are moldy, they're grody, they're wet. There's little larvae on them from all of that nastiness. So anyhow, I am still going to clean this head off, but you can see where it was dry, they do come off rather easy. See, like right here, I'm going to give these nasty wet ones straight to the chickens. They will enjoy those. They tried to steal them off my porch from me anyhow, so now they just get to get them with a little extra protein in there from the little larvae that's trying to escape. But I do have the little sections here that are dry. Let's see here, look. And like eventually I would like to build me a like a little scraper thing, but in the meantime, you know, that just joins the list of multiple other projects that I'm working on or have in my mind. Even some of them aren't even a work on, they're just a play and rest, and they're waiting on me one day to do it. But you can see these are pretty easy to actually just knock off here. As I say that, I'm struggling. Okay, here we go. Yeah, look, see, look. I mean, these are pretty easy. Now, there are some sharp little pokey things in here. Don't really know what that's about. It's like a little splinter got in my finger or something from it earlier. Oh, anyhow. Yeah, I'm just scraping these dry ones off and getting rid of the wet ones. I mean, ew, look how nasty. Gross. Yeah, so this is what not to do with this kind of sunflower head here. So let's get another head and we'll look at it, because this was bucket kept, so this one's clearly not ideal. So let's pick up another one here. And you can see here the little nasty larvae there trying to get away. Those will go out to the chickens too, because guess what? They don't care. They'll eat the crap out of that too. So yeah, I got some sorting. That's grody. Maybe this whole head will go to the chickens. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so this is the other one. It kind of bends backward, but... And these are striped sunflower seed. See it? Anyhow, yeah, if you had like something you could scrape them off with, that'd be cool. But I don't. So we're just doing what we got here. And then I will have to spend time cleaning them up, because that's who I am as a person. I don't do things correctly the first time. That's part of the homesteading journey of live and learn, forget, repeat. So yeah, anyhow, that's where this one's at. This one here was just kind of hanging out in the kitchen. I should have hung them. But honestly, I walked outside, saw the chickens running off with one, grabbed them, threw them in the house, and that was the end of it. Until I like about tripped over it earlier. So with that, I'm just going to remove these seeds, and then we'll put some up to store to plant next year. And then the rest will go and be put in to snack on for the chickens and stuff to snack on. They'll love it. It saves money. It gives them new nutrients and stuff that they're not finding on the regular. Anyhow, it's a win-win. So for now, I'm just going to clean these sunflower heads, which I actually find it kind of relaxing. It's kind of like popping them little bubble popper things. So with that, I'm saving seeds. Maybe we'll crush one up here in a bit and see what the inside looks like. But for now, I'm also going to have to sweep my floor. They're just going everywhere. But that's how easy they are to get out of there.